Hey everyone, welcome to Step Up. We are a business in Kitchener, Ontario, Canada that specializes in custom vinyl stair nosings and renovations. So we can take vinyl plank flooring, you can see here lots of boxes of it, and we can turn it into nosings that you can use to install on your staircase, giving you a finish on your stairs that is an exact match to the flooring above or below it, and that has no lips or edges. Our method of creating the nosings creates a beautiful finish that does not stretch the color or wear layer, and so you have that consistent look throughout the nosing and can go over a standard 2x10, or we have custom options depending on the size of stairs that you are covering. And as you can see here on our sample, this is that finish with the nosings and risers created out of the vinyl for a seamless finish. You can install these yourselves. We have lots of tips and trick videos on our channel, so please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and you'll have lots of information about how to do it yourself. But we do also offer installation in the immediate area around us. So please check out our website, www.stepupvinyl.ca, for more information about what we do and how you can use it in your home. With over 5 years of experience, we were one of the first businesses in the area creating nosings, and we have thousands and thousands of nosings that have been created. We use a tried and true method that goes through wear layer testings, and here are those finished results from some of our customers. Some of these we installed ourselves, some of them the customers sent us. So happy, so excited about that finished look in their homes. And if we do say so ourselves, it looks absolutely beautiful. So if you're looking to create some vinyl nosings to cover your stairs or do some vinyl installation in general, please check out our channel, hit that subscribe button. Lots of new content on a regular basis to help you with your installations and help you with the jobs that you are looking to complete. All staircases are a little bit different, so depending on your experience, you may want to take on that installation yourself. You can see here that some experienced contractors are using our standard stair nosings to complete an installation on an open staircase here, and we do have installers who are able to do that. The possibilities really are endless. As you can see here, pie shape, pretty much any vinyl can be transformed. We also do have vinyl for sale, and we have lots of contacts in the industry. So if you're not sure where to start, please head over to our channel. Lots of tips and tricks on our channel, different videos about picking your vinyl, buying vinyl, where to get it, or get in touch if you need more advice. Please hit that subscribe button and consider Step Up for your next project.